Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing zucchini or courgette or kursa, even pakora. So we've got some nice fresh zucchini, we've chopped it, we're going to make a nice batter with some lovely spices in it. We're going to fry it. It's absolutely delicious, great little snack. Nice bit of chili ketchup, wonderfully crunchy. That's how I like them, delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, really simple this. Let's take a look at some of the ingredients. So we've got our zucchini or courgette there. You can cut it however you want. I've cut it into these kind of pieces. This kind of size is going to be a little bit chunky. If you don't like it, you know, crunchy and that, do it a bit smaller. But I like a nice bite to them. Here we've got some basin flour. Here we've got rice flour. Here I've got, for this amount, about 2 teaspoons of garlic ginger paste. In here I've got a teaspoon each of chili, coriander, turmeric and cumin. Now you could just be using a curry powder if you wanted. And we've got some salt and we've got some water. Really simply what we're going to do is we're going to get our spices and our powders onto our zucchini, add some water, get a nice batter together, then we're going to fry them off. Okay, so I'm using this pan actually, but you need a bowl or something so you can see it nicely. Let's start off by getting in some salt. We're going to get our spices in. We're going to get in our garlic and ginger. You could be putting some fresh chili into this if you wanted as well, or some chopped cilantro. Now we're going to go with the basin first. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Roughly 4 of those. We're going to adjust this as we go along. And then the rice flour, you could be using corn flour if you want. 1, 2. So twice as much of the basin to the rice or corn flour. I'm going to give this a nice mix in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some water and start mixing until we get a nice battered coating. Let's get that garlic ginger, mix in a bit more. Okay, so I've got a cup of cold water here. I'm going to put in about half of it, and I'm going to mix. And you'll see now, do you need to add some more flour? More water. Just keep mixing away. Okay, let's go for a little bit more basin. A little bit more rice flour and mix. It's getting really thick now. So now I'm going to go a touch of water. Okay, I'm going to mix away. I'll be back in a couple of minutes to show you what I think will work well for me. Okay, so I just added like a couple more splashes of water to that. So we've got a nice, consistently like this. It's quite thick, this one. But what you want is you want it to be able to coat the vegetable, whatever vegetable you're using, in this case zucchini. That's it. Let's go to the cooker, get some hot oil ready. Okay, so I've got a wok or a pan here with a couple of centimeters or a couple of inches of oil that we're heating up. I'm using a sunflower oil here. You could be using anything you want. Let's just check this out. See, that's looking beautiful. Not crazy hot, but hot. Okay, let's start getting them in. And like I say, we need to use a, well, what I find best is a 2 to 1 Besan flour to corn flour or cornstarch. Nice thick coating on these. Don't crowd the pan because they stick together. This will be a nice batter on them. And we're just going to fry these around for like 3 or 4 minutes. And they're going to be done. We'll take them out, get them onto some kitchen towel. Lovely. See you in a minute. And as you can see, got a lovely colour on those. They're going to be beautifully crunchy inside. So out they come onto some paper towel or kitchen paper. Then I'm going to repeat the process because I've got quite a few more there. And that's it. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Really simple and delicious. Just put a little bit of fresh mint on there or cilantro. Bit of lemon, you can squeeze a little lemon on there. Nice little bit of chili. Ketchup maybe is good. Dip that in. Beautiful hot. Nice and crunchy. I love them, so easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.